All right. I was on Facebook and I did a raffle with Jonathan Elias from PRP USA, and the raffle was he's raffling off different things, and one of the raffles was a Tomei 2.8 stroker kit. I said, why not? It's $50 a ticket. I put in 2 tickets, and getting ready to go to bed one night, and I got a message from a guy, and he was like, "Dude," I was like, "Hmm?" And then Jonathan texted me and was like, "Yo," he's like, "What's up?" He's like, "You won the Tomei 2.8 stroker kit." I was like, "What the hell?" $100, and this is what I get. So right now I'm unboxing it. I really wish they would have packaged the crank a little bit better. Hopefully it's not damaged. So let's get the crank out. Hold on 1 second here. See if I can put my phone up a little bit better. See if I can get the crank out of here. Alright. So let's get the crank out. I wish they would have packed it a little bit better. But here's the crank. You can see here where it kind of went through the box. So hopefully nothing's wrong with it. I pray to God nothing's wrong with it. But I'm going to get the crank checked anyway before I put it in to check for balance, make sure everything's good to go. Alright. A little bit more angle. Alright, that's better. Open this. The kid in the candy store. And there it is. There it is. This is the crank. Let's pull it out. Let's see what we got. Some kind of weight to it. Get all the bubble crap out of here. I'm gonna wrap it back up anyways. Not like it's about to go into anything right now, but just unboxing and showing you what I got. Let's see here. Tape there. Unravel it. There. Let me tape on this side. Don't worry. If anything, it's hurting my wood floor. Here it is. So only 2.8. 2.8. All right, knife. I said before, I pray there's nothing wrong with it. I hope it's nothing bad. But it's a pretty strong crank. Pretty sure nothing. But just to be sure, I'm gonna get it checked. Maybe let Nori check it. There it is. Stroker crank. Stroker crank there, boys. There it is. Man, I can't believe I won this. Alright, so here's the crank. And these are the pistons. Bam. Let's open this. Let's unbox this. And these are the rods. These are your con rods. ARP lube, Tomei stickers. There they are. Let me lay this back down. I don't want this to fall. It's probably been pushed all over the place anyway by shippers. They never take care of your shit. Wrap it up. I wish they would like put a cap or something on the end of this. That way it won't, just so it won't damage. But like I said, I don't think anything's wrong with it. Just lay it there. Like I said, here, cutting rods. And here, all our pistons. Always cut away from yourselves, not towards yourself, as I cut towards myself. Alright, our box here, and right off the bat we got some more Tomei information, more stickers. And here they are. 6 2.8 liter connecting rods. That's them. The rods, you got your rings, whole set. You got your wrist pin C-clips, and here you got your wrist pins. And this is what I won for $100, my raffle. Alright, just to send a big shout out to Jonathan. I really appreciate it, man. You got everything shipped. And like I said, I live here in Japan, so getting everything shipped here in Japan. And you did it in a timely manner, like it didn't take long at all. So I really appreciate it. And you know, he's a great guy. So I had bought a couple more things from him before, and everything got here quick. So if you need anything from PRP USA, hit him up, Jonathan Elias on Facebook, and pretty legit guy. Thanks, man. Once again, appreciate it. Tomei 2.8 kit, stroker kit.